clean our raft boards off after we've harvested, we want to make sure that there's no bacteria, no mold, no leftover plant tissue, anything that could transmit a disease we want to get rid of. We only clean the front surface where the plants were. We do not do anything with the back surface where the bacteria lives. We want to keep them healthy and happy. So we have a simple system here. We have a water grate and we just spray them off. And then we'll move them over and wipe them down. We can also take a lower water use if we were to use a spray bottle with something like a hydrogen peroxide solution, and then wipe them clean as well with a new clean cloth. So we want to make sure that we're not going to have anything that transfers from our old plants to our new seedlings and maintain that food safety as well as the health of our whole crop production. If there's any other additional stuff we need to clean off, we can use a scrub brush to do so. Get all those final areas clean. They're not going to be perfect, but it's better. And then a single-use towel if we need to wipe any additional areas. What we don't want to do is cross-contaminate by adding something from a previous board to this particular raft. So we use a single-use and then we wash those towels. In addition, we want to make sure that the surface area that we're going to plant on stays clean from the back of the alternate boards that we're stacking. So when we do this, we stack backs to backs and fronts to fronts, and that ensures that we always have a good clean surface that stays clean.